and welcome back to the channel. I hope this video finds you some comfort, whether you're watching while you draw, unwind, or just looking for something calm and creative to vibe with today. But in this video, I'm doing something a little different. I'm drawing a piece based on an AI generated image of a baby or a young Sonic the Hedgehog. Now I know that might sound a bit out of left field, but the second I saw this image, I just couldn't get it out of my head. It had the perfect blend of cuteness and softness, from the oversized head, the huge reflective eyes, that dreamy bokeh style background. I absolutely love that. It instantly hit that part of me that just had to draw it. Even though I didn't design the original concept, there was something so striking about it that I wanted to take it and reinterpret it through my own lens, make it feel handmade, human, and maybe uniquely mine, I guess. So I decided to go with soft pastels for this one, which is kind of a double-edged sword. They can be very tricky to work with, especially when you're aiming for really saturated, punchy colors like the ones in the original. Most of the time, pastels lean towards that soft, dusty, kind of chalky, muted vibe. But for this, I wanted to challenge myself to push the medium to make those bold, electric colors pop in a way that feels kind of alive. That meant a lot of blending, tons of layering, and experimenting with different tones to get the richness I was after. I also made a few tweaks. Most noticeably, I exaggerated the eyes even more to boost the cuteness factor. And I softened parts of the background to enhance that dreamy atmosphere. The bokeh style, I absolutely love it. And all of this brings up a topic that's becoming more and more common in the art world. AI generated art versus traditional art, and where digital art fits into that mix. There's a lot of debate out there. Some traditional artists see digital art as easier, I guess you could say, or somehow less valid because it's not made with physical tools. But the truth is, every medium has its own set of challenges and skills to master. Digital art takes time, effort, discipline to learn, just like oils, pencils, pastels. It's not about the tools. It's about what you do with them. AI, on the other hand, is a whole different conversation. It can generate something visually stunning in seconds, but what it lacks is the human element. It doesn't make artistic decisions. It doesn't have emotion. It can inspire, but it doesn't interpret. For instance, I have used, and a lot of artists, tattooers, are against AI generated images. Now, me as a tattooer, I don't see the difference on jumping on any platform such as Google or Pinterest or anything to find reference photos to use for an upcoming tattoo design. There is not a lot of originality out there anymore. It is still out there, you just need to find it. However, I don't find the difference if you are looking for a reference photo from those said websites or AI generated, as long as they are being used for reference only. So that's why I saw this piece not as copying an AI image, but as translating it, bringing it to life through my own style with all the imperfections, instincts, and creative choices that only a human can add. Because at the end of the day, what makes a piece of art meaningful isn't how quickly it was made or even how perfect it looks. It's the heart behind it. Whether you're working with charcoals, markers, oil paints, a digital tablet, it doesn't matter. But what does matter most is the connection between the artist and the work itself. Anyways, so thanks for being here and sharing that space with me today. I just wanted to bring it up and voice my opinion on, AI art, digital art, traditional art. But if you enjoyed this kind of process breakdown and want to see a little bit more of the kind of behind the scenes look or just the voiceover thing and looks, a look into how I approach different mediums, feel free to like, comment, and of course, subscribe. And if you want even more in-depth content, including full-length real-time drawing sessions, I post all of that over on Patreon. My link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.